the border department, right? BATP, the Border Area Development Program, which was in place for many years. It's in 2021 onwards. This program has been discontinued by the government of India. So we have communicated and we have requested the government of India to reconsider for continuation of the same program. Therefore, it really helps a borders region to build up the infrastructure, be it the schools, be it the hospital, be it the roads, be it the bridges and all. But however, a interstate program is being continued for the road and some infrastructure, be it a community hall, be it a schools building, be it a small footway and the bridges that will continue. Yeah. It's a government of India program. So it was initially 90:10. So 90, the program has been discontinued for different reasons. I don't know the reason. We have communicated to the government of India. So we have requested to reconsider to continue.
What about a special scholarship to the students in the border area?
I think, if I'm not wrong, this has been continued. This is going on.